Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Faye, and Faye writes from Montclair, New Jersey. And Faye writes, I want to form an LLC to put my property in for liability protection. How much should I pay to set one up? Well, Faye, the cost to set up an LLC varies from state to state. But almost always includes a state filing fee, which in New Jersey is $125. And it may include other potential costs, like for a registered agent, if you choose to have a registered agent, as well as for annual report filing fees. Now, the state filing is mandatory, and that again, the cost varies from state to state, but normally it's between $50 and $200, but there are exceptions. I believe Montana, the state filing fee is $35, and on the other end in Massachusetts, state filing fee I believe is $500. But what the state filing fee does is allows the state to officially register your LLC, and normally you will get what's called a certificate of formation. But in addition to that state filing fee, in most states you're required to submit an annual report to keep your LLC in good standing, and that's another cost. In New Jersey, the annual report fee is $75. Also, when you have an LLC, you normally need to have what's called an operating agreement. And you could prepare that yourself or with partners. But if you use an attorney or a formation service, that's going to cost you additional money as well. Lastly, if you want to reserve a business name before you form your LLC, that may cost money as well. But what I would suggest that you do is contact your local or your state Department of Revenue or the Secretary of State to find out exactly what requirements are in your state to form an LLC. So thanks for your question, Faye. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.